This is a 2004 Honda CR-V with 103,000 miles. Perfect cash vehicle, perfect car for student. It needs nothing mechanically or cosmetically. Brand new tires, brand new brakes, fully serviced through our shop. Every one of our vehicles gets a 125-point pre-owned inspection. Everything we sell will need nothing mechanically or cosmetically. The vehicle is running. Great gas mileage. Perfect price range. We will not finance this vehicle. Incredible condition for its age, actually. Leather seats, actually. It's an LX with leather, so really an EX. Carfax report, original floor mats, AM FM CD, 103,000 miles, power windows, locks, mirrors, and cruise control. Once again, 103,000 miles. Perfect first model. So this is a 2004 Honda CR-V, 103,000 miles, two-wheel drive, needs nothing mechanically or cosmetically. Perfect vehicle for student, clean car.